Hello guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to start making your first Clickbank sale as soon as today. So let's jump right into the video. Now, okay guys, so the first thing you have to do is go to clickbank.com and click on the affiliate marketplace. Just click on this search button to find the best converting products right now. For example, you can see the flat belly fix, the diabetes remedy. So you want to look for a product that is converting and is paying a good commission. So like this one has 251 gravity, means that a lot of people are promoting this and they are getting sales with this product. So it will be a good product to promote. And you also have to look at how much the product pays you as a commission, so whether it's worth promoting. So for example, the flat belly fix, it pays $38 per sale. So with this method I'll be promoting the flat belly fix. So the next thing is you have to click on promote. Let's put your hub link. For example, I'll put tracking. You can put a tracking ID. For example, I'll put YouTube. YouTube, because you are going to be using a free traffic strategy that involves YouTube. Then you have to go to bit.ly to shorten your links. You just paste your link paste the long Clickbank link, your affiliate link inside bit.ly. Then you can copy it so you can use it with this strategy. So this strategy, you are going to go to YouTube and type keywords like how to lose weight. I've already typed here. Then you can see the most popular videos. You're going to be commenting on the top videos on YouTube to get traffic to your website. For example, like this video says how to lose weight. These are the top videos that come up on how to lose weight. If you click on this video, you are going to see what others are doing to get traffic.
I want you to meet three women. Veronica.
So what we are going to do is we are going to be commenting below these videos with our affiliate link. We are going to provide value. Then we are going to send people over to our affiliate offer. So for example, you can check on this video, you are going to see people that are doing the same thing. For example, you can see here keto.best, they are talking about, they're promoting a product. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to a product that they're promoting. And for example, you can see this how a lot of people are using this strategy and they are making sales with it. So you can use this strategy and make your first sales. You can make a lot of sales with this method. So you can, if you scroll down here, you are going to see a lot of people promoting and using this strategy, because it works. When you use the strategy well, you are going to get results. For example, this is going to the lean belly breakthrough. So if you scroll down, you are going to see a lot of people doing the same strategy, because this method works when you do it well. These are more affiliate products. People are promoting different affiliate offers. So what I want to do is that if you notice on this video that is ranking at the top, it has a lot of comments. You have 615 comments. So you can see comments on this video with your affiliate link, but your people are not going to see your link as much as they can, because a lot of people have already commented. Over 615 comments. Your own comments are going to go at a down. Your own comments are going to be down, that you not have a lot of traffic. So you want to be like the first person that is on this answer, because if it's that you are the one that commented on this, if it's that your comment is at the top, you're going to get more traffic. For example, you can see this one has 1,000 likes. So if that person was promoting a product, the person will have a lot of traffic to their affiliate offer, and they are going to make a lot of sales. So the strategy you are going to use is that you're going to filter. When you type like how to lose weight, you're going to click on this filter button. You can just filter by this week, so it'll bring up the latest videos. Then the next thing, you can click on these videos and comment For example, this video has been published this week. It's not up to 1 week, and it's already have a lot of views. It already have 12,000 views. So your main goal is to comment up here so that as more people are watching the video, they're going to see your link first. Then you're going to get more viewers to your affiliate link, and thus you get more sales. So what you have to do is that, like, when you click on this filter, you filter by this week. Then you're also going to filter by view count. View count is going to bring you the highest views, the videos that have the highest views, because videos that have the highest views have their channels that they're having a lot of traffic. They're getting a lot of traffic from YouTube. For example, this one 5 days ago, you already have up to almost 500,000 views. So you're going to look at most of the videos that are at the top that are getting a lot of views. Then you're going to click on these videos and make sure that you are.
If you started intermittent fasting and you aren't seeing the results that you were expecting,
just put your comments with your
don't
affiliate
give up
link.
hope, because you're not alone. A lot of people.
Just put a comment here with your affiliate link. For example, this one has 231 comments, and this channel has up to 1.6 million subscribers, which means that there are going to be a lot of people that are going to be watching these videos. So the main thing is for you to write a comment. For example, let me just write a little comment here. Thanks for the video. Also check out this simple method that helped me lose up to 16, like up to 1 kg per day. Then click on comment. Now you can comment. Now when people are going to visit these videos, as they're reading the comment section, they're going to see your comments here, and they're going to click on your affiliate link. When they click on your affiliate link, this will go to the affiliate product, and therefore you'll be getting a lot of traffic to your offers from here. So that's it, guys. So all you have to do is you have to be searching on new videos that are posted on YouTube, because new videos on any topic are posted on YouTube every minute. So you have to filter. You can also filter by today to see the latest ones that are just coming out. They are not up to 1 day. You can go and comment on these videos and put your link, so that as many people are watching these videos and reading the comments, they're going to see your own link, and they're going to click on your affiliate link, and thus you make more sales. So the more videos you comment on, the more sales you can make. So you can also sort by last hour, like the videos that are just coming out, that are not up to 1 hour ago. And you also have to make sure that the channel has like a lot of subscribers. If the channel has a lot of subscribers, which means that a lot of people are going to watch this video. Most of the subscribers are still to watch these videos. So putting your link at the top will, as the people are watching the videos, the subscribers are going to watch these videos, they're going to see your comments, and they're going to click on your affiliate link, and thus you can make a lot of sales with it. So take action on this method, and right today you can see a sale even today using this method. This method works, guys, and the main thing for you is to take action. So this is it for today, guys. So if you like the video, or if you found value in this video, leave a like and subscribe to more videos that I'll be releasing later. So see you guys.